KC Artist, and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing, okay, for Nike Dunks High, the Court Purple University. Like, I'm just on my Nike shit right now. I'm on my dunk shit right now. So if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and be a part of the family. And to all my subbies, thank y'all so much for rocking with me. Let me get right into this video, make it cute and sweet. This is technically my third pair of the Nike Dunks. But this is the second that I'm doing a review on it. I'm gonna save the second pair for another video, but I just got these in like I think last week or two. Haven't worn them yet, but the goal is to wear it this upcoming week because me and Babe are going to the fair, and we both got our first pair of matching sneakers, dunks I should say. I know that's corny, that's some cute relationship, like teenage, high school, love, you know what I'm saying? Don't knock it, okay? But yeah, so let me get right into the unboxing. It comes into the Nike box. So if you're new here, I get the big kids size to save some coin, just a little bit of coin, and I get the biggest size is the 7 years. That equates to women's size 8.5. And yeah, so it fits perfectly for me. Typically, even a 7 years is a little bit more roomy. I'm an 8, but I'm starting to like my sneakers a little bit more roomier. Not too much room. It gives me just the perfect amount of room. So let's get into the unboxing. Standard. Yo, these are fresh. So they retail about $105. Right now they're hot. So go get you a pair. They got it in, not only did they got it in big kids, so this is the first pair that me and Babe could get together because they had it in big kids, they had it in little kids, they had it in women, they had it in men. Well, no, I don't think they have it in little kids, but they have it in big kids, they have it in women, and they have it in men. My Babe wears men's sizes. So if you want to get your little family some matching dunks, go ahead, do it. 'Tis the season, 'tis the freaking season. Lots of fall activities, But look at these bad boys, giving very much Lakers, okay? Like, bruh, they're fresh. Ooh, they fresh, they're crisp. Yeah, so like on the description it said gold, purple, and white on Nike. This is giving me kind of like yellow. Well, this is giving me like yellow, I believe. But the thing is, I don't know if I'm like bugging, but I feel like the men's are possibly a little bit lighter than the big kids. And I'm gonna compare. I'm gonna get my Babe sneaker, my fiance sneaker, to see and compare. These are fresh. Look at the inside. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's purple on the inside, the logo. These are fresh. Whoo! These are so freaking fresh. I'm gonna go get the pair right now, so let me compare. I'll be right back, y'all. So I wanted to compare and see if I'm bugging. So my Babe, she wears, well, she got a size 9 for men because her feet is kind of wide, so she wanted it a bigger size. Okay, so let me see if I'm bugging. I might just be bugging. It might just look like that on the website and not actually like that in person. Okay, they're the same color. I'm telling you, on the website though, it was giving like a different color, the yellow, what was like bothering me, but nope, same color as you can see. So you good, y'all. You are good up close. You're absolutely good. These are fire. These are fire. Yo, I cannot wait to wear them. So yeah, babe and I, we're going to the state fair. We're gonna be going to the state fair out here, and then also the other fair we're gonna go to, just her and I as a couple. And then then we're gonna go taking, you know, my bonus son, her son, and do it as a little family, you know, because you can't just do everything all at once. It's good to go a second time, you know. Who don't like a good state fair, you know what I'm saying? But these are fresh, and I'm gonna try them on so y'all can actually see how fresh they look on my feet. So yeah, I've been on Nike, and now like I just went on their website and they got 2 more pairs of just in that is just, oh my God, y'all, I'm about to be one of those sneakerhead girls that I really freaking admire. Can't y'all tell I'm a sneakerhead newbie, you know? It's okay, yo. So we're gonna have the matching sneakers on. We're probably not going to be matching fully. I wanna wear some army or cargo pants, some army fatigue pants, or just a khaki cargo. She's probably gonna wear the same army, but the shirts are gonna be different graphic shirts, but the same color, and you know, so. Okay, got some Nike socks. Y'all, say less. These are fire. Fire. Y'all, these are fresh, bro. Anyways, y'all, so I probably look different in my like where the camera was placed, because I honestly don't know where it was placed. So it is what it is. But these are 10 out of 10. Nike, you have not done me wrong. I feel like I'm just doing these reviews just to show y'all the ones that's coming out. So like I said, they released them again, and they're out. It's hella popular right now. Get you a pair while it is still in stock. This is really for the fall and the winter. I really feel like, come on, you can't tell me this isn't giving you Halloween, pumpkin, fall, Thanksgiving. Like, you just can't tell me it's not giving pumpkin patch vibes. It's not giving, you know, cornfield, a sunflower field vibes. It's not, you know, you can definitely wear it obviously in the summertime, but it's just giving me that vibe for the fall. So I can't wait to be rocking them. So yeah, if you made it to the end of my video, you might as well be a part of the team and just subscribe, you know what I'm saying? But I am stepping up my sneaker game. So for the girlies who are trying to see like, okay, well, where should I start? Or where should I start? You know, how can I step up? Follow me, you know, we're in this journey together. We the newbies together, okay? Because sometimes, you know, following the people that are already established in this sneaker game, it could be a bit overwhelming, or like, oh my God, you might feel like inadequate. And you just like, how am I gonna start off? So follow me on my journey, because it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be litty. I'm gonna have so much sneakers. I'm not only gonna solely buy Dunks, but for right now, your girl is a Dunk kid, but other sneakers are gonna be in play. You know, I'm definitely going to be buying other sneakers. I got some Jordans that I want to get in mind. But you know what? I'm not really too, like, if I have to compare the Jordan the Jordans versus the Dunks, I would go with the Dunks. I actually like the Dunks way better. But I think I want to get, after the 2 pairs that I get, I think I want to get some lows, some Dunks lows now, because all my Dunks so far, this is my 3rd pair, has been highs. So the next 2 are going to be highs. So I got to get some lows. But there's something about the highs that's just, it's just so vibey to me. But anyways, thank y'all for rocking with the kid, and